What's up? And I'm pretty sure this guy's name is Bob. And then there's the dude from Greece. Okay, let's start it up. I actually don't remember his name. I feel like his
curly hair.
Yeah, I feel like his name's Tony or something.
Yeah, because he does look like a Tony.
Maybe he's Tony Stark.
He's like super buff.
Oh no, my name's Richard.
Oh, my name's Chuck. You're wearing a banana suit.
Wait, what? Are you serious? I'm actually wearing a banana suit.
Wait, what am I wearing?
Nothing. You just look like a dude from Greece.
Like, what shirt am I wearing?
You're wearing a leather jacket and a white t-shirt. Like, you look exactly like a dude from Greece.
What you said.
This guy does not know how to run.
The guy's like a banana suit. Let's see if we found someone. I see one.
Oh, look what we found here. What?
Oh, dude, he was there.
Alright.
He just slid off.
Now, audience, please excuse the girly screams because we are. I'm 13. He's 12, so we are. Our voices are probably cracking in the middle of it. No, go away! I don't like you.
Boy, stop!
Oh my god!
No, wait for me! I don't want to die.
Oh my god, this guy cannot run. I don't care if he's in a banana suit. He cannot run.
Can't run for shit. Oh, I hear them. They do wait up for me. You're so fast. I don't know why.
Because I'm in a banana suit.
So fast?
Look, I see him. Look, I see him. Oh, he just vanished.
He was like right behind us.
He just vanished in between the testicle rocks. Oh crap! Oh, that's another thing. That's another thing we have to watch out for.
What are those?
I don't even know. Looks like an artery.
If you look at it.
It's just the same as as if you were getting caught by the dude.
So like freaking.
So don't look at them. Just whatever you do.
What jump scare do you get?
I don't even remember. But all I know is that those kill you.
Just go. Oh my god, face. Wait, where'd you go? I don't want to look back.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. There's probably something in that cabin, which makes me want. Okay, he's gone.
Where are you?
This cabin. I feel like there's something in here, but there's probably not. Yeah, that's a gigantic waste of time. Yay.
Oh, there you are.
Your controller's vibrating. I don't like that.
I think it's our footsteps. Do you want to go in there?
Yes. Let's go in this cave.
I really think this is long. That looks scary.
It is. No.
Are you in the cave?
No.
You scared me.
Oh.
Oh no.
Dude, I just all of a sudden heard you scream, like both you and your character just scream. Like you guys were like screaming your lungs out. my god.
That looks weird. I wasn't even looking at him. I don't know. I mean, if I died, then you would have. Where did you go?
I don't like this, man. You gotta go eat your dinner.
Right back.
Fuck you. Oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Oh god, stop! Oh my god! Yeah, we did not do that good that round. That's where he died. Well, yeah, guys, that's White Noise Online. I hope you enjoyed the amount of screams that you witnessed. And, yeah. It's pretty fun. It's just a slender cone, really. Yeah. As Runcap is going to get something to eat, yeah. Probably gonna end it here.